I need this. And I'll be needing this. Okay, what I'm going to do, folks, if you can't already tell, is I tried this snowblower on my sidewalk, and this metal trim here, while it's even with this kept dogging out on the pavement. So ultimately, ooh, that's way too much. So ultimately, I've got to change out this metal plate. It was a nice concept. Shit. But ultimately, it has definitely failed. It just kept biting too hard onto the pavement, and I couldn't get it to do anything. So what I'm going to do is try I want to go ahead and try if I can't change that plastic one, put that on here. The other snowblower, you all see the video. Obviously, it works, it runs. Thing is I went through 3 gallons of gas, and the amount of time that it took me to snowblow all this stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can't kind of get this one up and running, and usable. The reason why is because we got another storm coming, and that storm is not looking to be friendly. Crap, could have swore I had a hammer out here. Tap that off. I don't want to have to go through and pull all these bolts out. There's one. Well, that's technically 2. I think I'm leaking gas. I can smell it. Come on, hurry the hell up. Get off here. That's technically 3. There we go. Now I forget how these go on. Is it this way? Or is it this way? Shit. I literally forget how these go on. It's been a while since I've put these on. Well, let's try it this way first. I can always switch this out later. Holy crap, yeah, it's definitely out the float bowl. Or bowl float, I should say. Damn it. Come on. Oh crap, I can't get it to turn just enough to get my finger in there. I can always switch these around if I ever need it. Ouch. Come on. Okay, there we go. Just a little bit. Spray it just a little bit. Oh yeah. Gonna spray it just a little bit. Man, that gas is really something. Okay. I don't know if I should come all the way out. Come on. There we go. Luckily these are double-sided, so I can actually just go ahead and adjust this later. Oh, wait a minute. I wanted to pull this one down a little bit. Yeah. Damn it. Oh, right at the bottom of these skid plates here is what I want. Good enough. All right. Well, these have to be changed out eventually. You see, I've got a good ½ inch of gap. That should be tighter. Should be closer to this right here. About a ½ inch of gap, maybe closer like that. So these definitely need to be changed out. The only thing is these are like $50 a piece, $45, $50. These are, well, they're just scrap tires, believe it or not. A lot of people don't know that. There's a sidewall of scrap tires. When they recycle tires, well, there you go. Oh, come on. Let me guess. Alrighty. Oh, skid plate right in my stomach. Ow, 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 ow. Okay. Let that fuel and oil, you see right there, I was leaking gas. I want to go ahead and let the fuel and oil kind of settle down now that I had it tipped to the back. Okay, you see right here, yeah, on this edge here, it was dipping back, digging into the pavement. This right about here, it wasn't touching pavement at all. So, and when it did dig into pavement, which I didn't want it to, I just wanted it to basically go right over the pavement like that, is what I was wanting. Just skim it, as close as possible, but not actually dig into the pavement. Now, I can go ahead if I wanted to drill new holes, maybe either elongate these holes here to where a person could just, adjust it, or, well, even better yet, I didn't think about this. I could have just got my grinder and just cut off, as straight as possible, an edge here. That would have solved the problem too. I'm not going to throw this away. First of all, it's good aluminum, but like I just said, I could still salvage the idea of this. I wanted this as a straight edge on the pavement, against the pavement, so this way it would actually outlast the plastic. Downside is it was obviously too low, and it just kept digging into the pavement, so it caused more problem than it was, good. As much as I would have liked to say, yeah, man, that was a great idea. Well, once again, knowing my luck, that was total unbridled, failure. So, that's it. I got my scooter out here, drying off. You can obviously see here the snow kind of blew in here. The wind was coming out of the northwest area and just blew in here. That's why I put the tarp up here during the summer. If you remember me talking about during the winter months, rain, snow, and all that gets blown right in here. So, the tarp did work-ish. What happened was it wasn't closed on that side. If you remember, I have it just going down to try to cover the bike and snowblower and everything that I got packed in here. Well, what I plan on doing is more than likely come springtime, I'll take this lawnmower and I will go ahead. That was weird. I'll go ahead and just store it in that shed, being I have the room as well as the pressure washer. I'll go ahead and also put that in there as well. For some reason, I can't get the washer to start anymore, so I don't know what the heck the problem is with that, but it's kind of pissing me off, to be honest with you. And that's where I'm at for now. I just got to suffer through the winter until things warm up, and then I can just start clearing this stuff out, putting it in there, and then the snowblower I'll go ahead and put up here where the lawnmower is. So this way, that snowblower's got his own little shelter. These two lawnmowers here have their own little shelter. From that I just bought a clear, window clear tarp. It's a real thick, I believe it's like 30 or 40 mil plastic see-through tarp, and I'll be putting that over there against that wall, and then that's where the scooter will be parked, is right where my trash can is. And the trash can, what I'll do is probably move this like right here in this corner. Maybe not. It might take up too much space for me to get the scooter in and out. Maybe back there. Come springtime, I'll have all this, all the steel and everything all removed, taken apart, and then stacked up. But I just want to kind of get everything organized. This is a learn as you go kind of thing. You can't just pile everything inside and expect, oh yeah, I figured it out. I know how to move around. Well, you got to learn what's best for you to be able to navigate around here, as well as be able to do stuff. Technically, that is open wide enough that I could probably lower the mirrors down and just slide that scooter in here, and that would actually also work as well, and then bring the snowblower out here. But I don't think I'm going to do that. Meanwhile, this tarp here, my little doorway, I will be doing something different with that. Today, I will be what I'll be doing is, instead of using these posts here, what I'll do is I'll use those as weights, and I'll just put them on the ends of this tarp, and then slide them along the side there, and kind of just hold the tarp down tight against the scooter and the bike, and then from there, there's these little grommets that are on here. I'll use the one as low as possible to kind of tie to this frame here on both sides. That way, it'll still be a doorway at the same time. When the wind blows, this side will actually be tight against here. Well, I'm hoping. I just don't know. Like I said, it's a learn as you go kind of mentality, and right now I'm learning a lot of shit. During the summer months, yeah, this was laid out pretty decent, and everything seemed to work fine for the summer, but I knew I was going to have problems come winter, because your needs are different. You need different tools, different movements. You gotta the weather patterns change. Instead of the wind coming out of the south, it comes out of the north. And so, like I said, your needs tend to change. One of these days, I have got to get this all closed off and get this door up here. That's my next year's, or I should say this year's plan, is to actually close this off completely, which I have the 2x4s, which I could actually take this plywood here, put another 2x4 up here, and then put one of these sheets of plywood up here, and then take another sheet and put hinges on it, and so this way I could open it up and get at the stuff inside here, and that would be like a little cubby door. And then from there I'd have to worry about this, which this side isn't really all that bad, because I've got the house kind of blocking literally the majority of rain, snow, sleet, all that kind of stuff. So the part that I have to worry about the most is this. And to be honest with you, I can't believe I didn't think about this before I did that. I could have just went ahead and put that up here and literally just solved the whole damn problem all together. And so I guess live and learn, it is what it is, folks. There's not much I can do now about it, except for wait for spring. And then once spring gets here, I'll go ahead and go batshit crazy and take care of business. Come on. The reason why I'm going crazy now is because it got up to about 35 degrees today. So I wanted to get my bikes out there in front of the sun, which is now starting to cloud up again. And now tonight we're supposed to have flurries. Shit, what time is it? It can't be 6 o'clock already. 3:30. I'm hearing a car idle. I'm waiting for a Walmart grocery delivery. Dude, that can't be my delivery. It's supposed to be here between 6 and 7 o'clock. So I don't think that is. That's alright if it is, because of the fact that it's cold out, so it's not like anything would actually, have a major problem. Wait a minute. That didn't pump right. Damn it! How the hell did it run out of gas? I know I didn't spill that much gas on that bench, jeez. Alright, that's just to get it started. If this will work, then I'll go ahead and put more gas in it. Tomorrow we're supposed to get another storm that's going to drop another 6 to 10 inches of snow. So Oh, that's what I'm hitting. There we go. Alrighty, now let's see if we can't do something about this. Now, fuck it, let's put that just there for now. Screw it. Okay. Ouch. Come on. Here we go. Put that just inside. Okay, but I want to tie this one down first due to the fact that the snow and wind come from this angle. I want to close this up the best I can. Shit. I don't think that's going to matter too much. Now, come on. Now, that's kind of making me iffy whether or not that's going to harm the, get water or snow down in here. I don't think it would bother it. I mean, after all, it's made for that kind of, weather and all that. So, now I got both snow blowers up and ready for future snow blowing. Come springtime, I'll close this off. I might just even get a couple, get 2 hinges here and 2 hinges here, and then get them to lock somehow over here, and then I can just still open this up when I want fresh air. That might be actually beneficial right there. Get it to where I can just open it up. Yeah, on all sides. That way it would actually still allow decent amount of fresh air come in and whatnot. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'll design a design tonight on the computer to figure out a way to do that. Knowing that this goes up and then over. It goes up right here to about here and then comes over and then down. So I'd have to figure out where to hinge this to where it'll still allow me to open it, and then have it like separate here, right at the bench. This way I can open this separately, the bottom part separately from up here. Yeah, that'll be beneficial. Alright, so that's springtime thing. Yeah. With any luck, no snow will get in there, at least very little. I might have to come out with a screw or something and kind of tack that there. Might still get a little snow in here on the side. Yeah, but I don't think it's going to get a lot of snow in there to really worry about. I'm not trying to protect anything because nothing in there is, nothing in here is, if it got wet from snow or rain, really isn't going to harm anything. I just don't want it to get on my tools as well as my scooter and bike like it is now. That's all I'm worried about. And that's kind of iffy right there, but we'll find out. I don't really want to leave it open like that. Yeah. So, alright, there's that video.